Smile.
What is the best in-floor cleaning system to install?
Well, there are several on the market, and I like a few of them for very different reasons. The Paramount jets are, I like the size of them. It requires a lot less of them to put in the pool. I like their MDX drain system a lot. I use that a lot. But what I really like about Blue Square is the simplicity of the valve. It's one size gear, and there's 30 gears in it probably, but it's only one size gear, so you don't have a lot of working parts and a lot of different parts. If a gear goes bad, it's easy to replace that one. So I really like the simplicity of Blue Square. I like their jets. They're smaller jets. The Paramount bigger jets are kind of cool in terms of the volume of water you can push through them. But I tend to use one of those two products myself. And in a lot of cases, I hybrid them together. I use a combination of both. So I know there's a few other manufacturers out there. You can look into the benefits and drawbacks of them. I don't particularly like a lot of the feature things in the valves, and we've used manual valves and we've used electric valves, and I ultimately prefer the manual valve. It's just a simpler, smoother operating machine.